Hi, welcome to this introduction video, your one-step destination for your shopping needs. Whether you are a buyer looking for a wide range of products or seller wanting to showcase your goods to the world, we have got you covered with this beautiful platform. We are going to talk about some of the key features of this website and platform, such as product search, filtering options, and secure checkout process. We have implemented different payment and gateway such as MasterCard and PayPal. As you can see, we have different sections here. We have advertisement sections that you can put in different places of this website. And we have the category sections and many more, very comprehensive user interface. We have black sections and a beautiful footer here, of course. And the important things I want to show you is the flash sale. We have implemented the flash sale here. You can see the time durations and all the products that have special offers and special discounts and the time period that you have and that you can take advantage of this time and products. This is our product filtering page that you can filter your products by their categories and price range, sizes, brands, and colors. And of course, you have different options for the display products. And we have considered another page like this for a specific products that you can see all the informations and details of that products in this page, such as different variants like quantity you want and the price, discount price, colors, and time durations for the discount. And from these sections you can see the descriptions and all the informations and details of the products, vendor, which vendors has put these products in these platforms and is selling these products. You can get all the information about that vendor and the reviews. All the buyers can put a review and rate these products. And of course, we have implemented a beautiful and very comprehensive review system, and we have done all of them by PHP and the Laravel. Of course, we have done the backend with the Laravel and PHP, and Laravel is, as you know, is one of the most famous and powerful frameworks of the PHP that give you power, that do all of this. And this is our order tracking page. After that, you have finished your payment process and you have a successful payment process, you will be given an order ID or track ID. Sometimes it is named the transaction ID. It has different names. By putting that code here, you can track your order, that whether it is in pending level or on the way or in the shipping process, or maybe for some technical reasons it might be cancelled, and you can check it all of them by this page. And many different other pages like the products and invoice page, all the invoice that you are gonna have after you buy a product, and your checkout systems. And of course, we have implemented the shipping system on this website that admin can put many others like express shippings, free shippings, coupon system. And this is our admin panel. This is the user interface that we are going to use for our admin dashboard, and we are going to manage all the options and all the tools from here. As you can see, it's very comprehensive and beautiful and brilliant user interface for our admin system. Okay, this video is recorded just for the inspiration reason. I hope that you learn some tips and tricks from this website. And in the future, of course, we are going to create a course related to a multi-vendor, fully comprehensive multi-vendor e-commerce website like this one and many other features. And we are going to teach you everything from the scratch, step by step. Thank you for being with me and watching this video. I see you in the next video.